Alright, what's going on? We're back with another video. So again, we're creating all of these AI automations with Zapier, OpenAI, and ChatGPT. Zapier strings it all together. OpenAI is our backend API modules where we can stick it to different apps and things of that nature. And then ChatGPT itself is our front-facing B2C model. So this is our lead research assistant that we trained it on our own data. How do we train it? We created several documents of SOPs, ICPs, dialogue from content, transcriptions, our services, our pricing, everything. We put it in several documents and added it to the back end. So now, if we need to do research for our customers, for our brand, for whatever needs to be done, we can do that here. Let's take a look. Say, what is the dollar amount of the last 3 entries or purchases? Boom. So it showed the last 3. Just like that. We're going to ask it another research question. Based on the buying history of these clients and what you see in the document, would you recommend a $250 product about SMS marketing? So pretty much based on this individual, they made a lot of purchases for SMS credits. So again, it says based on the history, David has made a substantial amount of purchases for messaging credits. A $250 product focused on SMS marketing could potentially be a strong offer. However, the second client, which made only a $10 transaction, the $250 might be a little higher investment relative to her usual spending. So again, nuance. You're getting actual AI data nuance based on your business that can help give you recommendations and understand things a little more. This is only a small indication of what it can do. If we go broad with it, there's no telling what kind of applications we can apply when it comes to research. It all depends how big your company is and how big your client or purchasing database is. If you already have products, you can create emails and understand should you recommend them these particular products. So again, this is what we're building. If you're interested in this particular research assistant, let me know. We can get that set up for you ASAP.